The topic of today's video is how to copy color grading in Davinci Resolve. Alright, so here we see we've got two clips. One is the main clip and the other is the one where I'm going to copy the color grade from, the red one. So you'll see here we're in the edit tab and I'll just play this for you. So what we need to do is jump to the color tab. Alright, so here in color you can see we've got our two clips. And if you don't see your clips pop up, here on the top left, you can just click on clips and that'll make it appear. So make sure your first clip is highlighted. If not, left click and then control and left click on the second clip. Now we're going to right click on the second clip and we're going to say shot match to this clip. And there we go. You can see the color grade is copied and I'll play it back for you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.